In these high forests, a new day begins. For these young explorers, it is a lifetime.
All right, you got me.
Play is not just fun. It is a rehearsal for life itself. A lesson in strength, balance, and limits.
Look how easy this is, Miko. I told you it was nothing.
Be careful, Kiko. That branch looks unstable.
And some lessons are learned the hard way. When ambition outpaces ability, courage has met its match, gravity.
I was so scared, Miko.
It's all right, brother. You're safe now.
Confidence is good. Caution is better. But together is best of all.